here we have my precious 124 scale diecast model of the Minolta AE86. And I'm always trying to find more diecast models. But in Japan, apparently they don't like 124 scale diecast models. If you want a 124 scale model, you gotta build it. Well, that's all changed because of a company called Hatchette Collections. This is a mail order subscription company in Japan. You know, they do subscriptions now all the time in Japan with models. Each month you get a piece of a car and you build it. But this is a car that's all put together. And it's a diecast car. And even bigger, it's a Minolta livery diecast car. This one is issue 180 from September 6th, 2023. Let's pull it out of the box. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, what do we got here? Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Oh, upcoming models. History of cars. Oh, wow. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Wow. That is awesome. Wow. And WRC. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, oh wow. Oh wow. From my understanding, the door is open. I think I'm not going to. It looks too good the way it is. I think I'm going to leave it in this. It would be perfect display. So I'll have that one and that one. It's perfect. Oh yeah, one other side note regarding this model. Let's see if we can get that to... You see the names? The lower one, H. Ogawa. This car was Hitoshi Ogawa's race car. And you know I have his sport coat from Tom's / Minolta Racing. This is a great piece of kit. If you want a model, a high quality diecast model of a car that you've been trying to search out, look into Hatchette Collections, Japan. There's the website. This is A for Hachi signing off.